March, month of new growth. March is the third month of the year. It usually has 31 days. The season for the whole of March is spring. It is National Women's History Month. Events in March: St. David's Day, World Wildlife Day, World Engineering Day, National Grammar Day, World Book Day, British Science Week, International Women's Day, St. Patrick's Day, World Poetry Day, Red Nose Day, World Water Day, Shakespeare Week, World Maths Day, National Scribble Day, Mother's Day in the UK, National Pencil Day, National Crayon Day. There are two flowers of the month for March, the jonquil and daffodil. The March star signs are Pisces and Aries. The birthstones are aquamarine and bloodstone. The full moon is called the worm moon. Famous people that were born in March: Alexander G. Bell, Scottish-born Canadian-American inventor, scientist and engineer who invented the first telephone. Michelangelo, Italian sculptor, painter, architect and poet of the High Renaissance. Yuri Gagarin, Soviet pilot and cosmonaut who became the first person to journey into outer space. Isabella Beeton, known as Mrs. Beeton, was an English journalist, editor and writer. Albert Einstein, German-born theoretical physicist who is best known for developing the theory of relativity. Dame Vera Lynn, English singer and entertainer whose musical recordings and performances were very popular during World War II. Vincent van Gogh, Dutch post-impressionist painter who is among the most famous and influential figures in the history of Western art. Events in history: 1855, Charlotte Brontë died. 1856, the Crimean War ended. 1876, Alexander G. Bell invented the telephone. 1936, the Spitfire made its first test flight. March, month of new growth.